Hello students, in this video we are going to study few topics of chapter number 16, Management of Natural Resource. Now this term resource, what does it mean? Resource means anything that we can use to fulfill our need for a specific purpose. For example, to shoot this video, I am using a mobile phone, this board, different color markers, a headphone, etc. So all these things are my resources for the purpose of shooting this video. Now, what do we mean by natural resource? Natural resource means all the resources that we get from the nature directly and that we can use to fulfill our needs. These are terms as natural resource. Fossil fuels, forests, wildlife, different mineral reserves, all these are natural resources. Now this term management is a practice of using the resources in a judicious, in a well planned manner to get maximum out of it with minimum wastage. किसी चीज से maximum derive करना with minimum wastage and in a planned manner. This practice is known as management. So, management of natural resource. Now, coming to this, natural resources are of three basic types. Perpetual. Perpetual means for always, हमेशा के लिए. It's in plenty. So these are the resources that are present in infinite amount. These resources you can keep on using as much as you can. They are inexhaustible, like solar energy. Then renewable resource. These resources are replenished, these are renewed after a time. For example, forest. These resources, provided time should be given for their renewal, for their replenishment. Otherwise, they will be exhausted. See, if you are using forest produce, if you are deriving wood from a forest, give time to the forest to replenish. If you keep on cutting forest and you don't give it time to revive, automatically it will be exhausted. Now the third one, non-renewable resources. These are the resources that are formed after thousands and millions of years, and they are limited in nature. So they are exhaustible, like fossil fuels. If you use fossil fuels, once exhausted, it will take thousands and millions of years for these fossil fuels to get formed again. Now, coming to a pertinent question, that why do we need to manage natural resource? Natural resource को manage करने की ज़रूरत क्यों है? So the answer is like this. There is a need to manage natural resource to prevent its over exploitation. If we don't manage resources, then resources will be over exploited and they will get exhausted very soon. Like fossil fuels, if you don't use it judiciously, if you don't manage the use of fossil fuels, it will be over exhausted. It is limited in nature. Next thing, there is a need to manage resource to conserve resources for future. If you don't manage resources, they will be exhausted and nothing will be left for future and future generation. So there is a need to manage resource. The third one, equitable distribution. Now this term equitable distribution means that resources are distributed as per the needs and requirement of the people. Resources are distributed as per the needs and requirement of people. To ensure equitable distribution, management of resources is required. Otherwise, what will happen? And this is in fact happening, that maximum resources are taken by the powerful people and the weaker ones, they don't have access to any resource. So the powerful ones, they are flourishing, and the weaker ones, they are suffering. So that's why management is required. And the last one, to protect environment. If we don't manage resources properly, if we use it in a wrong way, if we use it excessively, it will actually harm the environment. Example again, if we excessively use fossil fuels, it will release a lot of carbon dioxide, which will cause air pollution, ultimately lead to problems like global warming, etc. So that's why we need to manage our resources properly. Now there is one more term, sustainable development. What does this term sustainable development means? It's a kind of development in which we fulfill the present day need. We fulfill the present day need, but at the same time we conserve resources for future generation, and also we don't harm the environment. So sustainable development is a practice where we fulfill the need of present day by using resources, but we don't use resources in such a way that they get exhausted. We use resources in such a way that our present day need is fulfilled, but we conserve it for future generation also, and we use it in such a way that the environment is not harmed. Okay,